To start the LCD replacement, you need to disconnect the battery. So to do that, you want to flip the unit over and loosen all of the screws in the bottom cover. Once the screws are loosened, you can take your spudger and take the bottom cover off. And then just disconnect the battery. Disconnecting the battery helps prevent shortages to the motherboard or to the LCD. Now we can do the LCD. So just put your bottom cover back on to prevent any scratching of any of the parts inside. So you just want to open up the unit and take the bezel off, being careful with how much pressure you're putting on the LCD because it is a touchscreen, so it will break easier. Then once the bezel's off, you want to find these black strings on the bottom of the LCD. These are adhesive strips that you'll have to pull out to get the LCD out. Now you can pop the LCD out and disconnect the LCD cable on the back of the LCD. Now you can grab your new LCD and remove these blue strips on the back to expose the adhesive on the strips. And then once those blue strips are off, you can reconnect the LCD cable. And place the LCD back into the top cover. And now you can put the bezel back onto place. After you are done replacing the LCD, you need to reconnect the battery. So you can do that by flipping the unit over. You can take the bottom cover off. Now that the bottom cover is off, you just need to reconnect the battery to the motherboard. And now you can put your bottom cover back on. And now you can just retighten the screws. To make sure that the replacement was successful, you can plug the unit in. And then you can open it up. And as long as the screen comes on, then that means the replacement was successful. Now I'm going to unplug it while it is still on to make sure that the battery is working properly. And if you unplug it and it is still on, then that means that was successful as well. So you can shut the unit off and close it.